For all age groups, Key Stage 1 upwards, this 15-player budget pack will enable any teacher to make a success of percussion ensemble playing. No music experience is needed, thanks to the outstanding quality of the teaching support. Let's take a closer look.
These are the large instruments that come with a Drums for Schools World Percussion class pack. There are a pair of bongos, a metallophone in the key of C for playing melodies, a tambourine for playing a combination of long and short notes, a thumb piano or mbara, and a set of go-go bells. These are the smaller instruments in a Drums for Schools World Percussion pack. There's a guiro, a bento shaker, a framed suspended triangle, a pair of claves or clapsticks, and a pair of maracas.
The teaching guides are for class teachers as well as music specialists. They take teacher and class from basics to performance level and also show you how to add a professional percussion accompaniment to any song or instrumental piece. The World Percussion 15-player budget class pack. Everything a class teacher needs to make a success of ensemble percussion playing with any age group. No prior music experience needed.